So when you observe the sounds that are related to different padas of Dhanishta, the first pada, or you say the first quarter of this nakshatra, it ranges from 23 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes, and that corresponds to the sound ga, right? So generally Dhanishta first pada people, they have a name starting with ga, means if they follow astrology, they try to put this kind of name. And the second pada, it ranges from 26 degree 40 minutes to 30 degrees of Capricorn, and that corresponds to the sound gi. So ga, gi. Ga is for first pada, gi is for second pada. And the third pada of Dhanishta ranges from 0 degree Aquarius to 3 degree 20 minutes of Aquarius. And Dhanishta third pada corresponds to the sound gu actually. And the fourth pada of Dhanishta ranges from 3 degree 20 minutes to 6 degree 40 minutes of Aquarius, and that corresponds to the sound ge. It's something like, even in Western world it may sound like J also, but it is actually ge. It's GE basically, right? And there is a fundamental energy of Dhanishta, ga, gi, gu, ge. And in the Sanskrit alphabet, Dhanishta corresponds to the sounds yam and ram. So generally the mantras corresponding to the Dhanishta energy are also something like Om Yam and Om Ram. So these two mantras, Om Yam and Om Ram, generally used to activate the Dhanishta energy more. And its sexual animal is a lion. As we see, this nakshatra has a strong connection with the lion, which goes far beyond its sexual preferences. So on a sexual plane, this type does not relate well with other nakshatras except the lion or tiger nakshatras like Dhanishta, Chitra, Vishakha and Purva Bhadrapada. So in keeping with its animal, it is not very enthusiastic about sexual activity, even though it might have multiple partners. So Dhanishta may have multiple partners, but you may not say completely, because it's to an extent only, because Dhanishta is about beauty, right? Its Martian strength can give it more passion towards romantic activities as well. But you can understand, but if it has some goal, if it has some aim, then it may go out of these sexual preferences. So the stars of this nakshatra lie very close to the Andromeda part in the sky, where a lot of godly and demonic forces are said to reside. So the Andromeda area in the sky consists of lot of positive energy and lot of negative energy as well. However, the 8 Vasus we discussed, the Vasus, which preside over the stars of the constellation or the area, if you observe the Delphinus area, right, are all godly in nature. So basically, Dhanishta energy is close to Andromeda, where you can find a lot of positive and also negative energy. But there is another area called Delphinus, where you can find all godly nature. So Delphinus is associated with dolphins, the most intelligent and benevolent among all the sea creatures. So this particular nakshatra, Dhanishta nakshatra, shares a lot of its traits, means the dolphin traits. Even dolphins are known for their permanent, mysterious smile. So you may identify that kind of mysterious smile in Dhanishta energy also. So this particular Dhanishta energy, Dhanishta nakshatra, sort of lies on the borderline between Shiva's and Vishnu's territory, because Capricorn is the area of Lord Vishnu and Aquarius is the area of Lord Shiva. So from an astrological point of view, it connects the signs of Capricorn and Aquarius. So Capricorn, or the natural 10th house, as we know, relates to karma, while Aquarius, the natural 11th house, corresponds to the fruits of karma. So the 10th house is the karmic house, the Capricorn, and the 11th house is the fruits of karma, the results of karma. And Dhanishta acts as a bridge between these two. This nakshatra is related to the fulfillment of one's goals because of this reason. Means it is acting as a bridge between your karma and the results of karma. So it's related to the fulfillment of goals, desires, ambitions as a result of good karma from previous births. It is the balancing point between the forces of maintenance and destruction, because Dhanishta 1 2 in Capricorn, the Vishnu's area, where maintenance is the main goal, and the Aquarius part, which is Shiva's area, Dhanishta 3 4 lie there, which is the part of destruction. This is the 23rd nakshatra. So 23 is a number associated in numerology with the phrase the royal star of the lion. So this obviously you can understand, this is all about achievement of something, materialism, more into materialism. So if you observe the area Regulus in the sky, this particular area Regulus, which forms the core of the nakshatra Magha, of course, in the zodiac belt, Magha lies directly opposite to the Aquarius part of this nakshatra, right? So Dhanishta 3-4, you see just opposite to that, you would see the area of Magha nakshatra. So Magha nakshatra is a victory, means it's a royal nakshatra. You can say, right? It's the royalty. Magha is achieving everything. That's Magha. And just opposite to that, you can see Dhanishta 3-4 energy, Dhanishta 3-4 padas energy. So these two nakshatras can be seen as partners, Dhanishta and Magha, especially Dhanishta 3-4 and Magha. So Magha, as we know, is a nakshatra related to the royal honors, is a king nakshatra, kingly nakshatra. It's a great nakshatra basically. Dhanishta, especially the third and fourth padas of Dhanishta, also carries within itself these kind of qualities, the royalty. One can see that the lion is an animal strongly associated with both of these nakshatras. So 23, the nakshatra number, Dhanishta nakshatra number 23, is regarded in numerology as a very fortunate number, signifying completion, because it's achievement of something. And you can clearly see Dhanishta is in the karma area and also taking the results of karma also. So Dhanishta is to achieve something. So especially Dhanishta 3-4 indicates completion and achievement. So both the Magha and Dhanishta carry the completion aspect of this particular number 23 also, which makes them become the best in their chosen fields. Either it can be Magha or Dhanishta, they try to excel in the fields they choose. So it's mainly due to repeated past life efforts or having some what you can say, the divinity. The divinity, instead of saying divinity, is a kind of you should not associate divinity here because it's more into materialism. It's a kind of a great force they have, right? It's a kind of eternal absolute, you can say. That's a word you can say, or can say a kind of great force is associated with these two nakshatras. That's especially Magha and Dhanishta, also Dhanishta 3-4 padas especially, right? Thanks for watching this video.